What's going on? Hi, my name is McCunning Christensen, and I'm going fishing. Now, most of my videos just depict catching fish and yada yada yada, catching more fish, yada yada yada, catching more fish and just catching more fish and catching more fish. But none of the videos go viral. And I got cousins and friends that have videos that they post and they're really funny when it comes to making these videos. Now me, every single time I try to be funny, it just goes completely south. Like, when I say completely south, I mean completely south. It turns into a monologue of describing something, what you caught. You know, this is me catching a fish, I just brought it in. Oh look, this is how you cast. Oh look, this is the double haul. This is how you do a single haul. You know, proper techniques, but nothing really funny. I might have to get eaten by a shark, survive, and then we can laugh about it later. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to figure this out. Well, today, regardless, not going to be a super funny video, but it's definitely going to be a different intro, the one you just heard. And we're going to get out there and we're going to try, just try, and maybe catch a fish. I don't know. I've been in the office all week writing, and my spelling sucks. And yeah, it's the first time I've seen sunlight in 3 days. I mean, I looked outside, but I don't know if that counts. Anyway, so I'm here right now. I see this guy fishing in front of me. I don't know what he's catching, but he's probably catching something. Yeah, well, me and my trusty rod here, the Galvin reel and the Sage Salt HD, we're gonna make a good go at it. And if we do hook up with something, hey, right on. If we don't, hey, right on. I gotta pick up the kids today, so that's gonna limit my fishing time. So let's get out there. Crab fly, barbless hooks in Hawaii. Doesn't get better than this. Ah! All right, let's get this guy back in the water. All right, so check this out. You know, today was an epic day of fish everywhere, but you don't always catch fish when you go out. And I can tell you one thing, there's somebody laughing at this video right now, and they're all out there. I've seen about 40 fish today. Threw the kitchen sink at these fish, and still not even a look. At least sometimes I get a good look, but they just weren't interested today. Oh no, I take that back, I did get a good look. In fact, the fish was on it, almost took the fly, but he decided not to at the last minute. That's bone fishing for you, but it's super fun, challenging, and everything else. Yeah, funny videos. Anyway, check out this clip of catching bonefish in Hawaii.